Have you ever wished you could travel through time? With money you can? Not literally, of course, but a core principle in finance, the time value of money, tells us that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future. This is because money has earning potential. A dollar received today can be invested, earning interest, and growing into a larger sum over time. Imagine you find a magic money jar. Every day, it magically adds 10% to whatever is inside. Would you rather put in $100 today or wait a year? The time value of money says, start earning today. The longer you wait to use this magic jar, the more potential earnings you miss. That's the essence of TVM. Time itself adds value to your money. There are three main reasons why money today is more valuable than money tomorrow. First, inflation. Over time, the prices of goods and services tend to rise. This means that the purchasing power of your money decreases over time. Second, opportunity cost. When you spend money today, you give up the opportunity to invest that money and earn a return. And third, risk. There's always a risk that you won't receive the money in the future. Unexpected events happen. Let's say you loaned a friend $100. A year from now, they return it. Great! But what if that $100 then buys less at the store due to inflation? You've lost buying power. This is why understanding the time value of money is so important. Future value is a key concept in TVM. It's all about calculating how much a sum of money today will be worth in the future, given a specific interest rate and time period. The basic formula for future value is FV equals PV times 1 plus R, raised to the power of NFV stands for future value. PV is present value, the amount of money you have today. R is the interest rate as a decimal, and N is the number of compounding periods. Let's say you invest $1,000 today at a 5% annual interest rate for 5 years. FV equals $1,000 times 1 plus 0.05 raised to the power of 5, which equals $1,276.28. See how your money can grow? That's the power of compounding. Section 4, Interest, Simple Verses. Compound the magic of compounding. Interest is the price paid for the use of money, like a reward for letting your money work for you. There are two main types of interest, simple and compound. Simple interest is calculated only on the principal amount. Think of it like getting paid a flat fee for lending your money. Compound interest. This is where the magic happens. Compound interest is calculated on both the principal and the accumulated interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. That's compound interest. It's interest earned on interest. Section 5. Compounding periods. The more the merrier. Compounding periods refer to how often the interest is calculated and added to the principal. The more frequent the compounding, the faster your money grows. Let's compare these common compounding periods. Annually, interest is compounded once a year. Semi-annually, interest is compounded twice a year. Quarterly, interest is compounded 4 times a year. Monthly, interest is compounded 12 times a year. The more frequently interest is compounded, the greater the future value of your money will be. Section 6. TVM in action. Businesses growing with time value. Businesses use the time value of money in many ways. Here are just a couple of examples. Capital budgeting. Companies use TVM to evaluate investment opportunities. They compare the potential returns of different projects, taking into account the time value of money. Loan calculations. When businesses take out loans, they use TVM to calculate their repayment schedules and the total cost of borrowing. Imagine a bakery owner wants to buy a new oven. They'll use TVM to see if the oven's increased production and profits will outweigh the loan payments over time. Section 7. Your money, your power. Take control with TVM. Understanding the time value of money is empowering. Here's how you can apply it in your own life. Start saving early. The sooner you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts add up over time. Explore different investments. Compare interest rates and compounding periods to find investments that will help you reach your financial goals faster. Negotiate loan terms. When taking out a loan, pay attention to the interest rate and compounding periods. Even small differences can impact the total cost of borrowing. Remember, time is money. By understanding TVM, you can make informed financial decisions and grow your wealth over time.